I'm Anthony Morales. I am a former seafarer. Kasi I need to know the full company, and as I studied it, parang I need to invest in it. Kasi I believe na kumaga naniniwala talaga ako kay SMDC. Actually, mabilis lang. When I was in SMDC, yung process, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. Well, we just have to sign the reservation agreement form, tapos paid and then accomplish the IDs. And then, ayun, naghintay lang ako, then tuloy-tuloy na. Actually, nung nasa akin yung unit ko, I was overwhelmed. Because when I was a seafarer before, hindi ako nakapag-invest ng ganito. We started with 1 unit. But currently, we have 3 right now. And then, all our units is for Airbnb, and then long-term lease,